Seth Howes pushes a stack of ordinary cardboard boxes aside, clearing a small space on his living room table. Beside a lukewarm cup of coffee sits a MinION sequencer, a device no larger than a thumb drive. This is not a high-end research facility or a sterile university laboratory. It is a simple suburban apartment. Seth, a former engineer with a deep background in machine learning and medicine, stares intently at his computer screen. The stakes are personal. His sister is currently recovering from a grueling liver transplant, and her struggle is the reason he is here today. For years, their family has been haunted by a mysterious autoimmune condition that left the best doctors baffled and without answers. Seth clicks a button, and the sequencer begins its silent work. It pulls DNA strands through tiny, microscopic nanopores. Each passage creates a subtle flicker of electric current, a digital heartbeat representing his own genetic code. He isn't just reading raw data, he is hunting for the hidden source of his family's suffering. In 2003, this entire process would have cost an astronomical $2.7 billion and required a global effort. Today, in this living room, it costs Seth exactly $1,100. He watches the progress bar on his screen with bated breath. The raw data flows in, a chaotic, unyielding stream of A, T, C, and G, waiting to be decoded by a human mind. He opens a chat window with Claude. "Generate a BED file for these specific gene regions," he types, his fingers flying across the keys. Within seconds, the AI produces the precise coordinates he needs. He feeds this critical data into Evo2, a massive 7 billion parameter genomic model, and AlphaGenome. These models churn through the digital haystacks, mapping mutations and predicting their specific impact on protein expression. This is the power of the modern age. The barrier of entry, once guarded by multi-million-dollar budgets and layers of institutional bureaucracy, has finally collapsed. Seth is no longer an outsider. He is a participant in the most complex science on Earth, guided by the intelligence he helped build. Hours pass in total silence, save for the low, steady hum of the Mac Studio cooling fans. The room grows dark, lit only by the blue glow of the monitors. Seth remains motionless, his eyes scanning the shifting graphs. Then, suddenly, the screen populates with a clear, undeniable structural anomaly. There it is, a specific genetic pathway that had remained hidden from every clinical test, every specialist, and every hospital his family had visited for decades. The invisible enemy finally has a name. Seth leans back in his chair, his eyes fixed on the glowing result. The weight of years of uncertainty begins to lift. He has bypassed the gatekeepers of the medical establishment. He has turned his modest living room into a world-class laboratory, using artificial intelligence as his primary assistant. The answers were always there, hidden in the code, just waiting for the right person with the right tools to look. He feels a surge of triumph mixed with a profound sense of relief. The mystery that nearly broke his family has been solved by a thumb drive and a computer. This is the moment everything changes, not just for Seth, but for the future of medicine itself. He prints the report. The code of life is no longer a mystery locked in a vault. It is a language, and for the first time, Seth is speaking it fluently.